Okay, so for this question we need to introduce multipliers. Okay, so in the first year the scooter depreciated by 24%. So in other words, we take 24% away from the value of it. So if we think of the value as 100%, we take 24% away, and we're left with 76%. Okay, and that then is a multiplier we write as a decimal, 0.76. That's my multiplier. And then for further years then we get a different multiplier because it's then depreciated by 13%. Okay, so if we think of the value of the scooter as 100% at the start of the year, and 13% gets taken off that particular value, and we get then obviously 87%, and our multiplier then becomes 0.87 as a decimal. Okay, and we can do all this in one calculation. Okay, so calculate the value of Mali's scooter after 7 years. Well, if we take the value, £850, and we multiply it by our first multiplier. So in the first year, it depreciated by 24%. So the multiplier there would be 0.76. Okay, now you could work that out if you wanted to. You can get the value after the first year. Or you can just do the whole thing in one go, and then we look then what happens in subsequent years, and it's a 13%. Yeah, we've got that multiplier here, so that 13% then obviously then would be for the following 6 years. Yeah, because it's 24% depreciation for the first year, so then up to 7 years there'll be another 6 years where you've got 13% depreciation. So we times by this multiplier of 0.87 for the subsequent year, but of course it's subsequent 6 years, so we need the power 6. Okay, and we can get that calculation then on here. 850 times 0.76. As I said, that could give you how much it was after the first year. Work that out. So that's what it would be. But as I said, to do the whole thing over 7 years, you then times this by the multiplier for the reduction of 13% for 6 years. So power 6, and we press equals, and then we get the value after 6 years. So that'll be £280, and then we can write them down, but of course down here then we'd round this to £280 and 12 pence.